Hey there. So you have been thinking about starting how to start a new YouTube channel, but then you are not really sure where to begin. Maybe you are confused about Google accounts, YouTube channels, or maybe how to keep your channel safe from hackers. So in today's video, I'm just going to go straight to the video, okay? You're in the right place. So in this beginners friendly guide, I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how you can create your YouTube channel using the right way, which includes also tips on how to grow fast and protect your account. So without wasting much time, let us dive in. So the first step is to go ahead and create a Google account. Now, before you start a YouTube or channel, you need a Google account. And how can you create a Google account? Simply go to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, type on youtube.com, then click on sign in right at the right top side of your screen. Then after you must have clicked on it, go ahead and choose an existing account, or better still, click use another account. Okay, then after that, step 4 is, maybe you don't have a Google account, right? You can go ahead to create another one of your choice. Then after you must have done that, go ahead and choose personal use. Yes, it must be for personal use. Do not make the mistake of using it or creating for business. No. Then after you must have done that, go ahead and fill in your name and also create a Gmail address. Then secure a password. Then after that, add a recovery email, which is quite different actually from your main one, for security purpose or security, safety. Then after that, they're going to give you the next option, which is to accept Google terms and, click I agree. It's very simple. Congratulations, you have just set up your Google and YouTube account. Then that is for step 1. Okay, now step 2 is, after you must have done the whole process of step 1, go ahead to step 2 and create your YouTube channel. How can you do this? Simply click on create your avatar right at the top right hand corner of your YouTube. Then click create a channel. Choose a channel name and a unique handle that must be unique across all YouTube, surface. Then go ahead and click create channel. It is very simple. Boom. You now have your own channel. Now, step 3 is to go ahead and customize your channel. Now, let's make your channel look professional. Go ahead and click YouTube Studio. Go to customization tab. Upload your profile picture or avatar, anyone you want to use. Then also channel banner. Make sure it fits across devices. Yes, both those that are using television, laptop, tablet, smartphone, anyone. Then go ahead and add a short, clear channel description, your channel language, please. Also, you can add links to your Instagram, website, Facebook, TikTok, and all of that, okay? And so many other social media handles you might have belonged to. Then also a business email. Email, not your Google account email. No, use a different one for safety. Then it is really optional anyway. You can go ahead and upload a video watermark, like a mini subscribe button to your video, so that no one will have access to, to dub your video and start using it. So that is it. Go ahead and hit publish to save your changes. Then step 4 is to explore YouTube Studio. This is your command center, okay, which is your dashboard, quick overview, then your content, where all your videos will show, then analytics, stats on views, watch times, and performance, then your comments, manage and reply to comments, please, then earn, which is your monetization info once you are eligible. Then step 5 is important settings. These important settings include to click on settings, go down to the bottom left corner in your YouTube studio, and under general, choose default currency. Anyhow you want you to receive your YouTube earning, either in dollar or in your local currency. Then under your channel, select your country. Then add keywords to help YouTube understand your channel. Then under advanced setting, choose whether your content is made for kids or not. Then under feature eligibility, which is your standard feature, which is already enabled anyway, upload your videos, create playlists, and intermediate features, verify your phone number. Yes, upload longer videos, use custom thumbnails, start going live once you reach the criteria. Then go under the advanced features, choose one anyway, which is either to use video verification, upload an ID, or build channel history over time, whichever one. Then step C is upload default. Go to upload default in settings and add a default description, which includes your email, links, in order to avoid rewriting each time. Then set default visibility to private or unlisted. You can schedule later anyway. Then step 7 is to add team members, which is optional. You don't if you want. Okay. Then under permission, you can invite team members. Then give access as manager, editor, or subtitle editor. Then create for growing channels with collaborators. Then step 8, please do stay safe. Use a strong password. Set up two-step verification. Use a different contact email than your login email actually. Then download the YouTube Studio mobile app in order to manage your channel on the go. That's it. Your channel is live. Then go ahead and click view channel to see your setup. Your avatar and banner may take a few minutes to upload. Okay, so if this really help you to set up your channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what your new channel is all about. Now, the fastest way for you to grow is to start posting. Mind you, your first 10 videos don't need to be perfect. Don't just think about it. Just keep going. Okay, so guys, thank you and see you guys in my next video. If you're ready to create that your YouTube channel and you're ready to embark on this journey, I always tell my friends and my people that before you start any YouTube channel, you don't just wake up one morning and set up a YouTube channel, set up your camera and start shooting videos. No, there are a lot of things you need to put into place before you can start a successful YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to break it down for you step by step on what you should do, what you should know, and how you can go about it. So one of the things you should take note of before you start a YouTube channel is, first of all, niche down first, okay? Make sure that you identify a niche that you are good at, then expand it. Now, the thing is, when I started my channel, I was all over the place, guys. Today I'll post comedy. Today I'll post a tutorial. Tomorrow I'll post cooking vlog. I post about my work. I post about my lifestyle and all of that. I was just literally all over the place. You understand? I was just making a mess, creating things out of nowhere. And I was thinking that all those things are going to blow up my channel, but it was all a lie. You understand? They didn't work at all. Now, the truth is, YouTube rewards clarity. Yes. So instead of you trying to be for everyone, be for someone. Pick a niche that sits at the intersection of these three things, which is your passion, what excites you, your proficiency, what are you good at, then profit, what can potentially earn you money. Now, start narrow, build trust. Then once you have a momentum, you can expand and start creating all sorts of things that you want, okay? Then the next thing you should also do is to be a guide and not a guru. Here is the deal. You don't need to be the ultimate expert in your field to start. No, you just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Think about it. If you're learning to garden, someone else just planted their first seed. Yes, you can share your process, document your progress, and help the people who are just behind you on the same path. Stop waiting to be perfect. Start being helpful. That way you can pull through. Then another thing you should also put into consideration and into your mind is one video a week. Like, not really one video a week. You don't really need to post consistency. You understand? You can choose days you can post videos, maybe twice, 3 times in a week and all of that. No. You don't need any excuses, okay? Consistency builds talent on YouTube. Now, one of my biggest regrets is not committing to a schedule. That was the biggest regret I had starting my channel. Yes, I posted whenever I felt like it, and you understand, and I showed it. Now, for me, choose one day to film, one day to edit, and one day to post. Then commit to uploading at least twice, 3 times a week. Not only does it train your discipline, but it also trains the algorithm and your audience to expect more from you. Okay, set the bar. Just don't set it randomly. Now, the next thing you should also do is to start with what you have. Guys, I wasted months, years observing over cameras, microphones, lighting, and backdrops. I bought a lot of them. Meanwhile, my phone was just right there, ready to shoot in 4K resolution. Okay, so use what you've got. Some of the best creators today still film on their phones. Don't let gear be an excuse for inaction. Your content will always matter more than your equipment. All right. Then the next thing you should also do is to make sure to always design your titles and thumbnail before you film. Now, this is one big deal. Most creators, especially myself included, I focus so much on recording and editing that sometimes I treat the title and thumbnail like an afterthought. But here is the truth. If nobody clicks, nobody watches a video. So flip the script. Before you hit record, ask yourself, what would make me click this video? Who exactly is this video for? What thumbnail image will stop the scroll? Create content. Start with great packaging. That way, your channel and your video will stand out. Then also, please try to ignore subscribers. I want to get my subscriber. I want to get my first 1,000 subscribers. I want to hit 10,000 in a month. I want to do this in a... Slow down. After getting all these subscribers, what happens next? Have you forgotten you have watch hours to complete? Guys, it is even better you are getting watch hours and watch time than getting all the millions of subscribers yet no views on your videos. I know it is tempting to check your subscriber count every 10 minutes of the day. I used to refresh like my life depended on it during my own time. Yes, but here is what actually matters more. Click-through rates, number one. Are people clicking your videos? Your average view duration, are they watching till the end? What of your retention? Do they start and stay to the end, or does your audience bounce out of your video? Guys, subscribers come as a result of great content, not the other way around. So focus on the data that drives real growth. Then also, please build an email list early. You don't own your YouTube channel. YouTube does. If they shut it down tomorrow, where would your audience go? That's why I wish I had started building an email list from day one. Even if it's just a simple freebie or download, start collecting emails now. That way, you have a direct line to your audience. Beyond the algorithm, beyond platform changes, beyond copyright strikes, email is not outdated. It is underrated. Okay, so treat your YouTube like a business. At first, I thought being a YouTuber means, just uploading cool videos and waiting for AdSense checks and all of that. That is reality check, right? Ad revenue alone is not reliable. Start thinking beyond content. Learn about business. Create digital products. Offer services. Build brand partnership. Some of the best books I've read that help shift my mindset, they are like, all these, I read about YouTube secrets, foundational for strategies, hook point on grabbing attention fast, day trading attention for modern creators, the viral content formula for content strategies and all of that. I've gone through all these things. Then the moment I stopped treating YouTube like a hobby and I start treating it like a business, everything changed. Exactly. So if you're just starting or you just started, remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Start with what you know. Be consistent. Show up every week and think long term. Stop thinking short term. Which of these tips helps you the most today, guys? Please go down in the comment section I do love to hear your biggest takeaway. And if you're serious about monetizing your channel this year, check out the links in the description for we have a community where we all come together to support each other. We are all there to make sure that each person grow. Okay, so please take your YouTube serious.